Hey there mga my loves, Aries! Yan, no? Thank you so much, Aries, na sa patuloy at wala ninyong sawa na pagsuporta po sa akin dito sa channel na to. At sa mga new subscribers, maraming thank you sa inyong lahat. So please pardon my voice, no? Kasi maaaring papunta na ako sa pamamalat. Singer yan. So, yun yung mga babes, no? So, just take only how this resonates with you guys. At syempre, ang titingnan natin ngayon, Aries, no, ay ang inyong February 2024. Let's see what will we get, no, na messages, no, ngayong love month for you guys, no? So, yun yung mga babes, no? Just take only what resonates with you. Wala tayong gender dito, babae, lalaki, LGBT, cross-watchers, you're all welcome here, mga babes. Just take how this resonates and please apply this into your own unique situation. So, we do not have any gender, okay? So, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo. You can flip roles if you want. And at the end of the day, you still have your free will. So, yeah, let's go ahead and check this out here for you guys. But let me shuffle two decks, okay? Bago natin simulan ito, Aries. Inspiration Angel, guys, Archangel Michael, can you please show me messages for my dear Aries for the love month, February 2024, please. Alamin natin ang mga posibleng maging kaganapan here. Thank you so much, angels and spirit guides. Archangel Michael, thank you so much. This is for Aries. Messages for my dear Aries for February 2024, please. February 2024, please. Aries. Aries, nakita ko ng bakod. So, whatever the case may be, looks like fresh. Okay? So, yung iba pwedeng literal na naglagay kayo ng gate or pabakod kind of thing. Or kayo ito mga babes, no, na parang meron kayo rito na gustong, what's this one? I-block, no? Pwedeng tao yan or sitwasyon, no? So, alamin natin yun. Just take only what resonates. Okay. Let me shuffle this deck bago natin tuluyang basahin lahat. So, tell me more for me, Aries, for the month of February 2024, please. Aries. Aries. Just gathering the right energies here for you guys. Okay, pagka nainip kayo sa pag-shuffle, pwede nyo naman i-skip ang part ni ito. Okay, at mag-proceed na kayo sa reading. Okay. Nasalo din natin. Yung mga babes, no, let's see what do we have here for your February 2024. Please, let me just lay all the energies we've got right here. Wheel of Fortune. You also have here the Seven of Cups. The Ace of Wands. Others of you could be into crystals but doesn't have to be. Pero maaring tambay kayo sa mga energy or tarot readings, no, kahit hindi dito sa channel ko. And also, I'm also picking up that if wala kayo doon, your spirituality, no, is yun yung focus or parang malakas ang inyong intuition or you know, you have this inner knowing, no, that deep knowing knowledge when it comes to universe, manifestations, angels, and guardians, no? Bukas ang inyong kamalayan dyan. Okay? Wow, I'm seeing double 10. So you could be seeing here a lot of number 10s right now. This is something here that you need to be aware of. something that you need to prepare because something here will begin because something here will about to end. Okay? Pero whatever that is, it will bring you a sense of relief. Yan. Okay? I'm also picking up travel, really standing out right here, guys. Okay? So, meron rin ako nakikita rito na bagay na parang ang bagal mong pagdesisyonan noon, no? Pero nakikita ko na bumibilis na, no? Like, nagiging sigurado ka na doon, no? Yan. You also have here this Nine of Cups. Wow! Nine of Cups energy right here. No wish fulfillment it is. I'm seeing you enjoying here your life. There's this sense of contentment, satisfaction, and it might happen specifically for others of you at the end of the month of February 2024. Wow, you've got the Queen of Wands energy and the Ace of Wands right here, Eight of Wands right here. Yeah. I'm seeing that the universe is preparing here something big for you guys, and you are stepping into this more confident you, Aries, this February 2024. So, ilatag na muna natin din ito, no, para makakuha tayo ng mga information. So, wow, see, look at that, Hierophant energy. Hierophant energy right here. May magle-level up dito na relationship. Okay? If you are very happy and contented sa ka-in relationship mo right now, like you are boyfriend and girlfriend already, and you feel that sweetness is really pure, like certified 101% na talagang mahal at nagmamahalan kayo, nakikita ko, no, that with these tears, magle-level up yung inyong connection. No? Nakita mo ba yan? No, this person is happy. No? Masaya siya sa feeling mo at mas magiging masaya pa siya rito, no, kapag kayong dalawa ay tuluyan na ritong nagsama, no? Like, this is, to become one. Yan, no? I need some love, yan. Hindi ko masyado makakanta ngayon na maayos, mga babes, no? Kasi nga, yung voice ko. Pero itawid natin yun, no? To become one. So, nakikita ko rito na possible high chance. Nakikita or mag-propose na siya sa'yo, no? Marriage proposal, you will get engaged. Might be happening February 2024, but I do see that it might happen second quarter of 2024. Yan, for a lot of you. Let's keep moving. Also have here the Queen of Wands once again. See, you've got the Queen of Wands as well here. Look at that. Queen of Wands. Queen of Wands, Queen of Wands. See, I'm seeing you na you will lead here something like this is you, no? Meron ka rito ililid, wedding project, has something to do with money, finances, career, business, and you will be happy with the result. And I'm seeing that this is you, no? Nakikita mo rito yung success sa kung ano man tong ginagawa mo or gagawin mo. Kasi yung iba pinaplano nyo pa lang yan, no? And yeah, you're really seeing someone here, no? Na talagang napapasaya ka rin niya rito, no? So, yun ang nakikita ko. Others of you, you could be planning, very specific to, not resonating to all. Maaaring iba sa inyo nagpaplano na may kinalaman sa church. So, either gusto niyo maging parte ng parang mga people sa church, yung kunyari, yung parang ano ron, what's this one? Yung parang gusto niyo maging, ano yun, yung parang nagbabasa ron, mga babes ang tawag doon. Yan, no? Yung parang nagbabasa din sa church. Yung gusto niyo maging choir, pwede rin. Mga may kinalaman sa church activities. So, yung iba pwedeng gusto ninyo na mag-donate, okay, or mag-share ng inyong blessings sa mga charities and picking up that. So, tuloy niyo lang yun, no? Nakikita ko rito na this thing, no, you're not looking for results kasi babalik sa akin, no? Hindi ganun, no? You just want to give and share. You just want to help, yan, no? Those who are in need. And you also have here this Queen of Cups. Wow. Sabi ko sa inyo, spirituality, your intuition is on point this February. Okay? Three of Wands is right here. And you've got the Three of Wands as well here. See? Something to do with the future, no? So, meron talagang good news sa paparating sa inyo rito bago matapos, no, ang February. No? Di ba meron tayong February 29 ngayon, no? So, you might want to watch that out. Something to do with the last week. Doesn't have to be that it's February na end of the month na sakto ha. So, it has something to do with, okay, bago mag-end of the month. And you also got here this one, this temperance energy. Wow, I'm seeing a lot of double, so you will not be alone if you are single. Single, no more Aries, no, nakikita ko sa inyo. See, temperance, you've got doubles right here. And I'm seeing right here something preparing, no. Universe is someone here na nagpe-prepare rito, no, ng magandang joyride. Sa love life mo. Yung iba kasi sa inyo, no, puro trabaho-trabaho, no, lahat may kinalaman sa business, no, mga personal na mga bagay, no. Now, bibiyayaan na kayo, singles, no, ng makakasama ninyo, no. At with the Ace of Wands energy in the Hierophant, this is someone here, no, na isa sa mga magkakagusto or manliligaw sa'yo, no? Potential lover ito kung single ka, nakikita ko na yung tao na yan is one of your options in love and that person, no, yung magsisimula pa lamang na connection na yan, no, ay ang laki ng potential po na yan ay talagang uusbong no, into something more very, no, deep, no, at mas lalalim pa, no, deeper, deepest na nakikita natin dito. This person is so happy to be with you and will be grateful na makasama ka niya sa kanyang lifetime. This is someone here who loves arts, might be creative. Pwedeng mahilig rin siyang mag-paint literally, but this person wants this new passionate beginning here with you, my dear Aries. Wow, honey, you got someone here who will be totally into you after meeting him or her. This might not be love at first sight, but someone here, may makikilala ka, very significant, okay? Kaya labas-labas mga mahal, no? So whatever the case may be, I'm seeing right here that this February, like literally, maaaring may makilala kayo, no? Someone here na yun na pala yung makakasama mo, no? Sa buong buhay mo. And if you are already connected with this person here in a very heartfelt um, situation or way, and I do pick up that this person here wants to elevate your relationship and turn it into something long-lasting, which is marriage and beyond. Wow! You also got here this Five of Swords energy right here. Yeah. Well, your ex is manifesting you back. That's the first message that I got. Well, your ex is manifesting or will manifest you back into his or her life, but he or she do not know how to do that because this person here is giving me the vibe na parang sanay po siya na na sa kanya, sa ibang tao nanggagaling yung mga advices or mga parang steps na gagawin niya, no? Hindi siya sanay na siya yung nag-iisip talaga. Yun yung nakukuha ko rito, Aries, no? So, your ex is really having a hard time thinking, ano ba yung dapat kong gawin? And there's this person here, okay? This person might message you, okay, sa February, or I do pick up kay more likely March, February or March, your ex will message you right here, no? Tapos parang sabaw. I-message ka niya rito, like hindi na siya nakapag-isip, no? Kasi hindi nga siya sanay ng gano'n. Hindi siya nakapag-isip, no? Pero gusto niya rito na magkabalikan kayo. Pero parang makikita mo na, ay ano ba yan? Hindi pa rin talaga siya nagbago. Less effort pa rin. Pero yung totoo, ang sakit na talaga rito ng ulo niya, no? Masakit na dito talaga mga babes na yung ulo niya. Tsaka nai-stress siya dyan. Hindi po siya nakakapag-focus. If this is a student, this person here wants to um, focus more, no, na mag-isip doon at maaaring naapektuhan yung mga quizzes, yung mga assignments, or whatever. Or if not, this person here, if not a student, no, pwedeng siya ay nag-work, hindi siya nakakapag-focus kasi hindi siya sanay eh. Alam mo, hindi ko alam kung anong klase yung work niya, pero kasi parang sanay siya na parang siya yung sinasabihan, minamandohan, to siya yung gagalaw lang or kikilos. No? Parang kung wala yung order, Kumbaga parang ibang tao yung mag-iisip 'no, kaya kung nung nakarelasyon mo 'to, feeling ko ikaw lagi yung ano, yung nag-iisip, ikaw yung brain ng relationship ninyo 'no, and this person here is parang siya yung puppet 'no, na hindi ko sinasabi na parang you are the one who controls ha, pero kasi siya yung parang wala siyang effort na mag-isip. Kunwari, "Ay malapit na tayo mag-anniversary babe," 'no, dati ganyan kayo 'no, "Saan kaya tayo pupunta?" Siya parang ayaw niyang gumalaw yung brain cells niya 'no, parang ikaw, parang maganda pumunta sa ano nga, Boracay tayo or, let's go Coron, 'yan 'no. And then siya, "O sige bahala bahala na, eh, basta kasama kita." Ganyan 'no, pero yung totoo, ano ba mag-effort ka naman. Ikaw nasa itinerary, ikaw na nag-isip saan pupunta 'no, ikaw pa nag-book ng inyong flight and everything that this person will bring 'no, this person is always nakaangkla sa'yo 'no, "Babe hindi ko ilan kayang damit yung dadalhin ko?" Ano ba? Like, whatever, 'di ba? This person here really 'no, nasanay siya 'no, and eto ha, feeling ko na baby mo siya. And now this person is longing for you because there's separation already, okay? So whoever this individual is, this person manifesting you back pero he or she do not know how to do it, okay? At the bottom of the deck, we've got right here the Three of Swords. Yeah, it's a major heartbreak for this person here, you know? Ang sakit sa ulo at ang sakit sa puso kasi hindi niya maisip rito kung ano yung dapat niyang gawin. Ayan 'no, nagsusumabog yung damdamin niya rito with the sun 'no, kasi kitang-kita niya yung katotohanan rito and with the Four of Cups energy. Oh my gosh, I don't know what to do kinda thing, okey? Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko, paano ako makikipag-reconcile sa kanya rito. Should I make lapit to our common friend or should I make lapit sa family members. Oh, ang sakit na ng ulo ko kaya 'no, kind of thing. See, clarity 'no, naiintindihan niya na ngayon kung ano yung nangyayari rito. And yeah, okay, let me just put it here so we can have more space on the screen. Alright, so let's talk about this Wheel of Fortune and there's this Ten of Wands. There's something here, okay? There's something here na maaaring binablock 'no, si universe for you. And I think it has something to do with the fence. Look at that. Isn't it? It looks like a fence, bakod kind of thing. The universe could be blocking someone here for you guys because that person wants to go home with you. See? Okay? General yung nakukuha ko rito. This could be this person here kasi yung energy niya is nandito rin. Okay? This past person na pinag-usapan natin no, seconds ago. This could be this person here, the same person. But for others of you, this could be someone here not healthy for you. This person could have betrayed you, could be someone na pinagkatiwalaan mo before. Pwedeng old friend kind of thing. The universe is the one blocking this person here for you because you're having this new beginning already. You know, gusto niya nang umuwi sa inyo. Okay? This could be someone here na umalis sa connection, no? This person here could possibly nag-escape, no? Kasi takot siya na akuin or maging responsible doon sa situation you had before. And this person here is parang gumawa siya ng desisyon, no? Na parang nakasira rito sa inyong connection, no? And now, parang nag-regret siya doon. This person wants to come back home. Gusto niya nang umuwi, literal, no? Bumalik sa buhay mo. Okay? So, this is not just a romantic thing, but for others, I do pick up that this is someone here, no? Na hindi pinababalik ni universe sa buhay mo. Okay? Kasi magdudulot ito ng conflicts and chaos 'no, sa life mo. Eh, kasi nagke-create ka na rito ng new life. You're moving forward here. You're moving towards here, okay? That new life, new era, new environment here for you guys, 'no? At marami na rito mga opportunities na mag-show up, 'no? But the universe wants to give advice, 'no? Na hindi lahat ng mga opportunities na na mag-show up rito, no? Might be sa February or this 2024 for you, Aries, okay? Has something to do with healthy yon. Okay? You might watch out. Because look at that. My attention was being drawn to that snake and there's this, no? Skull in here. Okay, so you're looking here for stability. Okay, so look at that. See, we also have here that ghost. So, there are options here na hindi siya pang long term or pang long lasting. So you might want to watch that out. But you are lucky you have all the tickets here. See? At okay, prepare because yung mga yan ay magsisimula ng maglabasan. It could be sa trabaho, offer sa trabaho. Okay, not everything, okay, ay healthy for you or makabubuti for you. But you are the Queen of Wands, I know. You are the Queen of Wands and you are also embodying the energy of the Queen of Cups. This is you. You are very spiritual. I told you you did understand or you are having this understanding about universe, angels, and guides, synchronicity, signs, and clues. At alam kong makukuha ninyo kung ano yung mga dapat ninyong piliin, mga healthy options na dapat ninyong i-grab. So yeah, okay, I'm not worried about you guys. There's really a high chance na magbabago na rito, no, ang buhay mo, no, especially sa love life mo rito, Aries. And also, yung na-mention ko kanina na meron kayong desisyon na parang ang hirap gawin, no, na bumibilis na yon, no? Maybe this is you detaching here from something because you're realizing finally that it's no longer worth it na magstay pa ron. So, it could be, no, involving your personal life here. And I'm also picking up, no, na yung iba parang literal na kung ano yung i-detach nyo or yung pinaghihirapan ninyo na gawin na desisyon na yun na bumibilis na. I think it has something to do with, I'm seeing a house in a home. So I think pwedeng lilipat ng lugar or magmamigrate, no, specifically. So just take how this resonates. I'm seeing travel here. Okay, for you guys, this February. So baka may pupuntahan kayo. Travel is very significant right here, okay? Pero nakikita ko dito na sa travel na yan, no, pwede rito may makaaway ka. So, stay calm. Okay? So, hindi ko sinasabi na may makakaaway ka sa airport. Or whatever, no? Pero maaaring meron dito na parang either ikaw yung unang uminit yung ulo or siya, pero stay calm. Okay? Lalo na kung wala ka ron sa lugar and you're not familiar, no? Hindi ko sinasabi na mapapahama ka or what, no? Pero it's like something here na pwedeng alam mo na, no, para lang rin sa peace of mind and sa time. Okay, lalo na kung bakasyon yan or whatever. No? Saka syempre, pangat naman nang may makakasagutan ka no, just because misunderstanding, di ba? So, yun, no, pinakita rin yun dito, no? And I'm also picking up, you could be someone here who loves biking, okay, but doesn't have to be, but with the chariot card, nakita ko rito na mukhang mahahanap mo, no, yung kapayapaan no, sa ibang unfamiliar place. Mm. Okay? So, maybe dito ka nalilipat, you're checking out a new place where to migrate or to, move in. And doesn't have to be sa ibang bansa. Pwede rin naman sa ibang lugar dito sa Philippines, no? Like, you will find peace in there. Mm. Okay? Nakikita ko na mahahanap mo yung kapayapaan mo ron. Tinatalikuran mo na talaga yung nakaraan mo rito, yung nakikita ko rito. Yan, no? Isang bagong tao ang paparating sa buhay mo, yun na nakikita ko rin dito, my loves, no? And there is a wish fulfillment coming in for you guys. Yung iba mahilig sa mga bracelets, yung mga parang pampaswerte, locks, or charms. This could be your reading, okay? Yung iba, if not, that's okay. If you're resonating here with other messages, you can claim that. And also, I'm seeing, no, na yung iba, pwede ninyong i-business has something to do with drinks, no, or merienda. I'm seeing na yan ay papatok with the King of Wands energy right here. No, I'm seeing you right here. Wow, King of Wands energy and the Sun, Queen of Wands is right here. So definitely, kung sino man yung kakonek mo, divine counterpart mo yon, Aries, no? Someone here na pwedeng ang trabaho niya has something to do with communication or appearing in the crowd, okay? Or someone with authority, no? Importante yung mga sasabihin niya, no? And kung ano yung mga sinasabi niya, parang it brings happiness or enlightenment, no? Sa mga nakakausap or nakakarinig nito. So, whoever this individual is, tuloy-tuloy yung nakikita ko rito. Actually, ang dami nyo ritong pupuntahan, parang magta-travel kayo, no? Kung saan-saan mga parte na parang isasama ka niya, no? And whoever this individual is, this person will definitely be special sa'yo. no? A new person watch out will come into your life at nakikita ko siya magsistay. Mm. Lifetime. Yan! So, ito mga mensaheng nakuha ko for you, Aries. Thank you so much, honey. This is your February 2024 reading. Sarang heyo, love and light. Annyeong!